Renee Starms, and right now I want to share with you 5 ways to monetize your YouTube channel. I don't know if you've thought of these things, but these are 5 tried and true consistent ways to make money with your YouTube channel after you build it up. Number 1 is merchandising. You could sell t-shirts, makeup, whatever it is that you do, music, have people download songs and all those good things. And number 2 is affiliate marketing, where you don't have to create a product, you can simply use what's already available. And pretty much how you do that is do some type of testing or demo of another person's product and then have a link provided where you can sell it. You can also do product placement, where there are products placed in your particular videos if you have like a show or something like that on YouTube. But there's literally a myriad of ways to do it, and it's really good to at least have this a part of your online business. And number 4 would be being a partner of YouTube, where you would get paid for having commercials and other things on your channel. I like that part, actually. That's the goal to strive for. You get so many viewers and subscribers to your channels, and then you're making money off of advertisements from other companies, just like a regular TV station. And, of course, paid content, where you literally have a paid channel where people have to pay to get your content. That's, if you teach something that, a highly skilled something, or you have some special information, or a certain type of show that you share, this is a really great way to make extra money as well. Of course, read that blog post and further expound on these things. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. But thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Take care.